Wicklow Mountains National Park is a very special and much loved place. As well as an important habitat for nature, it's also the headwaters of the River Liffey, supplying water to the Poulafuca Reservoir and from there to the homes of the Greater Dublin area. The blanket bogs that line the hills play an important role in the provision of clean water, and they're not all as healthy as they could be. So I'm delighted to announce that Intel is working with our teams in the National Parks and Wildlife Service to co-fund a pilot project that will see the re-wetting of 60 hectares of drained blanket bog. I hope that this innovative pilot project will encourage a broader movement of financing and strategic engagement to support the achievement of Ireland's biodiversity objectives. Companies like Intel rely on natural resources like water and the ecosystems that provide those resources in order to manufacture their products. It is vital that the private sector organisations address the protection of natural assets that they depend on in the same way as other types of risk. I welcome the leadership that Intel is showing, and I look forward to seeing this pilot project progress.